You're watching CBS 21 News at 5:30 with Rob Hanrahan, Tanya Foster, and Chief Meteorologist Tom Russell with First Warning Weather.
When you buy new clothes, you expect them to be clean. And so that raised the question to us, how often do you wash your new clothes before wearing them for the very first time?
Yeah, and this got us thinking, so we decided to put new clothes to the test to find out for ourselves, are new clothes really ready to wear? So we hit the stores and the science lab for answers.
When you go shopping for clothes, does it ever cross your mind whether the item you're about to buy is actually clean?
Do you wash them before wearing them?
No, I don't.
Why?
Because I never thought they're brand new, so why should I wash them?
No, not at the store.
Not necessarily. I just assume that they're clean still.
And that's the common assumption. It's new, so it's clean. But that's not always the case. That brand name pair of jeans may have been worn and returned and put right back on the rack. Or better yet, how many times has it been in the dressing room, tried on by other people?
Even just like new clothes off the rack, if people are trying them on, they get bacteria and stuff on them from just people trying them on like that. So
you never know who has touched them before you. You don't know the state of their body.
To see just how clean new clothes really are, we went shopping. We bought a pair of pants, a shirt, a dress, and a pair of shoes, all of them new from stores around Central PA. For good measure and for comparison purposes, we also bought those same items from a local secondhand store. And to settle a dispute between my sister and brother-in-law, this packaged underwear. We took our clothes to the science lab at Harrisburg University and biotechnology professor Dr. Pattarkine.
Hello. Came with clothes. Oh, wow. Okay. That looks clean, though. Yes. Yeah. Let us see how clean that is.
Exactly.
She swabbed each item, and in the incubator they went.
I had set the temperature for a certain thing. Washed clothing, brand new clothing. Even I'm curious to see what comes out of it.
24 hours later, we're back for the results.
So let's see what is in the incubator.
Uh-oh. What do we have there?
There is something there.
The results were disturbing. First, the shirts. Both the second-hand and the new shirt had bacteria.
New and used. Okay, and it's the neck.
The neck.
All right. So either somebody tried it, and the old one wasn't really washed properly.
Both new and used, they seem to be fairly
similar kind of bacteria, yes.
The exact same amount of bacteria was found on the new shirt and the used shirt.
Okay.
Does that surprise you?
I guess it does, yeah.
Would that surprise me? No, because it's practically a secondhand item that you're getting in the first place. It's new, you paid for it, but other people have touched it, and have tried it on.
Well, then I'm just gonna have to wash shirts now.
Now to the pants and dresses. Both new and used items had very small traces of bacteria. But the shoes...
Oh, that's colony. See, because it got smudged.
On the new shoes.
That's right. The new shoes showed bacteria growth. But what was shocking, the shoes from the secondhand store were bacteria-free.
When you buy new shoes, do you clean the inside before wearing them?
no, and I'm guessing I probably should.
We did. We found bacteria actually on the new shoes and not the used ones.
Ew, that's even worse. That's gross.
Tell me about your shoes when you buy new shoes. Do you clean them at all?
No. You know
where I'm going with this.
Yeah, I do. Oh, man.
We found bacteria inside new shoes, but no bacteria inside the secondhand shoes.
Whoa. That's intense, man.
Is that going to change your mind now about whether you clean out your new shoes?
Why not? I have now new knowledge. Why not?
And what about the packaged underwear? And now that's the packaged underwear.
Yeah, that's the sample from the packaged underwear.
To our surprise, bacteria growth was discovered. Dr. Pattarkine pointed out the bacteria on the underwear was circular and yellow, very different from that found on the shirts.
What's your take on the packaged underwear?
I don't know. I'm completely floored with that. I mean, you opened it in front of me.
Now, what about if I told you in packaged underwear we found bacteria?
That's kind of gross. That's really gross, actually.
Of course. That's alarming. I'm disgusted. I shouldn't wear underwear anymore.
That's nasty. That's pretty gross.
So you have bacteria on your clothes. What do? Well, the experts say definitely wash before wearing. And if the material allows, do it on the hottest cycle possible. And to make sure you're killing everything, use bleach. But bleach and washing isn't always practical when it comes to shoes. Just take an antibacterial cloth and just wipe out the inside.
Our body is very resilient. Like, even if you have bacteria on your skin. But there are only certain which make you sick.
Experts recommend wearing clothes underneath while trying on clothes. And always wash your hands.
I'm just going to use the washing machine in my dorm now.
All right, so experts say this is nothing to be worried about. I'm even wearing one of the dresses that we tested. It had a trace amount on the zipper, but I did dry clean it.
See, there you go. You did dry clean it. I figured that.
You got to take it to the dry cleaner. But another reason to wash before wearing: formaldehyde is often put on clothes to prevent bacteria growth while they're being shipped. So, you know, even for that reason.
On new clothes?
On new clothes to prevent the bacteria from growing.
That's interesting. And then the shoes from the secondhand store were clean.
They were clean.
So do you think the previous owner may have used the wipes like you were showing us?
I don't know, but we were really surprised because there was no secondhand item that was dirtier than the new item, and in this case, the shoes were clean. So kind of puts to rest the myth about shopping at secondhand stores, because those items at least tested in our case pretty well compared to the new
Not
items.
Only that, but the new stuff, and it's going to stop a lot of arguments with people in our newsroom and their spouses, because a lot of people are split right down the middle. No, I wear the stuff new, and no, I wash it first.
Exactly, like my sister and brother-in-law with the packaged underwear.
Exactly.
That's why I had to do it. But yeah, bottom line, just wash before you wear.
All right, great stuff. Well.